Hey guys, welcome back to VEURINK'S RV Center. My name's Andrew, and today we're gonna go over this amazing new camper by KZ. It has an off-road package, it's fully boondock capable, and is one of my favorite new things. Not to mention this awesome toy loading hatchback here. So in a second, we're gonna get right into it. Hey guys, we're standing out here at the side of the KZ Escape E17 hatch. This is a brand new model for this year, and it is amazing. There's a lot of features on here I'm really excited to get to, but as you can see, it's not an overly big trailer, but it has a lot of stuff packed inside. So outside here, we have our electric awning, which gets you a lot of coverage when you're out here in the wild. You have tables from the inside that can also come outside, which I love that feature. It also comes with a hang-on griddle. So if you need to cook up some of that salmon, some of that trout, some of that bird, whatever you got, man, sausage, bacon, love it. Great new feature for this year. You also have 2 outdoor speakers. It's gonna come with the 2-step fold-out steps. And then you also have a storage in the front here. There is plenty of room back in there, and it also has some of your tanks and other things, so if you need to work on them, all you have to do is lift the bed. Up front here, it comes with 1 tank, 1 battery, that beautiful front window, which we'll take a better look at when we get inside, and it also comes standard with this jacket bike wing. Now this thing is awesome. 2 bikes on the front in between you and the truck. That way you're not gonna show up to your campsite and realize, did the bikes fall off while we were coming here? Instead, you're gonna be able to see them at all times. So next, let's take a look at some of the inside stuff before we get to the back, which is the perfect place. So right when you step inside the coach, the first thing you're gonna see here is this solar charge controller. This comes standard with a 100-watt panel on the roof, which is great for boondocking. You also have an inverter, which comes with 2 plugs in the coach that work off the inverter, so off-grid capabilities are amazing. So up front here, we have the bed, which I talked about, that front window outside, which is amazing. You also have the 2 side windows so you can get really good cross ventilation. And it does have an extra pad that goes to the back for when you decide to make that thing into a bed. Now there's great storage up top. There's a great big closet over here on the side. Something that's really cool this year they decided to do is this wireless Bluetooth speaker, which actually charges when it's on the wall, and you can take off, and it has a flashlight on it even. So you're never stuck in the dark outside. And this can go anywhere, set it outside on the table, out there when you're grilling. Great little feature. So next, we're gonna move into the kitchen here. I love this deep bowl sink. I mean, what's the shape of a plate? It's round, fits in there perfect, pots and pans. It also has this ultra modern faucet, one of the most modern faucets I've seen in an RV yet. You have 2 burners, a microwave, and then you also have your bathroom over here on the right. Now moving to the back, we're gonna take a look at some of this great place in the back. We have your fridge over here on the side. Really good placement, really big refrigerator, and really big freezer. Now, a really awesome feature on this thing is individually controlled heated tanks. So actually, if you're in for a little bit of cold weather, or you're gonna be going out in fall or spring, you know it's gonna be a little chilled, maybe even under freezing, you have your own heated tank button. So that will keep your tanks and lines heated, as there's also a little bit of bleed from the furnace into that enclosed underbelly. Now inside, something that we barely touched on is some of this modern look. It's not the old cave that it used to be, but it's also not bright white. I love this reclaimed whitewash barnwood floor look. I also like some of the lighter colors in here. Now this has a really big dinette in the back, and with the 2 tables that can go inside and outside, the other one we already have out there, makes really good space. Even if you're dining with 4 people, I'm a big guy, you can definitely get all 4 of you back here. The other absolutely beautiful thing about this is there is 3 plates that go down here, and this converts into another full-size bed. So if it's you and another couple out there on your boondocking off-road adventure and you want to bring everybody with you, or if you've got a couple of kids, friends, anything. So everything about this camper is really great. And as you notice, you're standing back there looking how is it all open like this? This is a huge hatch that opens, and it allows you to bring your toys in here. If you've got kayaks or you've got bikes, it actually comes with a couple of D-rings on the floor, which will allow you to strap all these things down and load all of your gear from the rear. It also has, when it opens, it gives you a nice little awning, and so you can leave that open, and then you have these pull-down screens. So you can leave this open while you're camping and get a good airflow through here, especially if you open those front windows. So all in all, this has really got to be one of my favorite off-road, boondocking, capable campers that we have on the lot. I'd really like to see you come in here and see it in person because it is amazing. So call the number down below, schedule a viewing, come see this thing, or just call to chat about it. I'm Andrew at VEURINK'S RV in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I look forward to getting your call. Have a great day.